I didn't have the heat done in here, but these guys sent me this deal here. Said I didn't have to do a video, but I didn't realize it was a Bluetooth type deal. So, and it tests your alternator and your battery or whatever, and you could sit in the car. You can get their app or whatever. It must not. I gotta be close to it. Let's go outside. So here it is. It was kind of. I thought it was kind of cheap looking, but let's see if it works. Won't pair. Done. I don't know if it paired. Come on. Where is it? No, oh, yeah, that's why. Oh, the hell. Well, I don't like that. My cables, my terminals are probably crappy. Okay. Not pairing. Why is it not pairing? I'm not going to stand out here. Okay, there it is. Oh, you goddamn me. What are you doing outside, girl? Alright, so it's connected to that out there. I'll go back out there after a bit, but I'm going to go like this. Let's see. Let's do a cranking test. Turn all accessories off and start the vehicle. I did. Oh, okay. So it's reading 1492 volt. Cranking voltage 9.76. Cranking time 1638. Okay, I'm not gonna. I don't want to save it. Okay, charging test. Start the vehicle, turn all accessories off. Turn on the electronics. Turn off all. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to turn this off. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's off. We're going off. Okay. Next. Keep all electronics off. Keep the engine at 2500. Turn on the air conditioning and the headlights and confirm. Alright. Loaded voltage 14.86 volts, unloaded 14, same thing. Ripple 5.0. Okay. So that's good. And real-time voltage. Set logging. 30 seconds, I don't know. 1492 389 96. Yeah, it's good. Let's go. I don't know. Let's go 5 minutes, huh? To jump. Turn the AC on. Turn the headlights on. I didn't do nothing. I did all of them. What's the report is? The charging test was that. And the cranking test. I'll do a cranking test one more time because I just will. Okay, so there it is. I wonder if we can put it this way. Oh yeah, you can. It don't go any smaller. I wasn't gonna do a review, but I never had battery tester that Bluetooth to your phone so you could sit in the vehicle and do it. I don't know, it seems to work okay, but I'll show you. Take it off. Anyways, you could test it right here too, but let's see. This is I gotta sit outside, it's cold. So here it is. I mean, I thought it was cheap looking, which, it's light, but these probably will break. They're, I don't know, they don't feel that good. I mean, the thing does work. I mean, you put it on the battery terminals and you can test your charging system and all that, but I just don't like these. Should come up with something better for, because where I live, it gets 30 below, 40 below, or whatever. And if you're outside trying to test any batteries, you know what's going to happen. TopDon, let me see. They got the app for it on the Google Play. This here tells you how to use it. Kind of neat that you can use your phone to do it. Don't worry about your shocks, not working in the wintertime. That's why I got one of these instead of a vice grip, and I just leave it in the door. Look. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have to plow. Oh, my front door is kind of, that's not even, all that deep, is it? Oh, see, I had all this all plowed out. And that, and that. That's enough snow. I had enough for the year. Alright. Like I said, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all on the next one.